Good morning, children. Welcome to our today's session. Children, after looking at these pictures, what thoughts come in your mind? What do you know about these animals and birds? Yes, these are domestic animals which are helpful to humans in different ways. Like the dog protects us by guarding our house. The donkey is useful for carrying the loads. The horse is useful for traveling. The hen gives us eggs. The cow gives us milk. And the bull is used for agricultural work. So, in some or other way, the animals are helpful to humans. Now, today in our unit 6, we are going to discuss the two poems, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. Both the poems are related to the animals and the pets. Do you have a pet at home? Do you love to keep a pet? Yes, I know. You like to keep a pet. Like some of you are having the cat as pet. Some of you are having parrot or dog or lovebirds and fish also. So all these are the pets. But what do you mean by pet? Yes, you are right. Pet is a domestic or tamed animal kept for companionship. Means it is your friend. It gives you company and you feel happy with it. So you like to keep the pet. Now we are going to discuss about the two poems. As I told you, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. In these poems, a boy is talking about his pet, that is a donkey, and a girl is talking about her pet, that is a pony. And through these poems, the poet is telling you to use value of kindness to animals. So, first of all, we will sing the poem one by one, then I will explain them. So, shall we start? You also can join. Okay. So, let us see the first poem, that is I Had a Donkey.
Children, we must not torture the animals. In fact, we must love them. If I had a donkey that wouldn't go, would I beat him off? No, no. If I had a donkey that wouldn't go, would I beat him off? No, no. I would put him in the bar and give him some corn, the best little donkey that ever was born. If I had a donkey that wouldn't go, would I beat him off? No, no. If I had a donkey that wouldn't go, would I beat him off? No, no. I would put him in the bar and give him some corn, the best little donkey that ever was born.
So, this is our first poem, The Donkey. So, let us discuss about the poem. The first stanza, if I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. In this stanza, the poet is sharing thoughts of a child about having a pet animal, a donkey, and also telling us how would the child treat or handle the animal? When we get angry at someone, we feel like hitting him or her. But listen what the child is saying in this poem. In the first stanza, the child says that if he had a donkey as a pet, and if ever the donkey who is a pet does not obey or listen to the child's instructions, the child will not get angry at it. The poet tells us that although the child is angry at the donkey, he will not hit it because it is his pet. Then naturally the thought comes, what the child will do to the donkey? The child is explaining in the next stanza. See what is the second stanza. I would find a little hay and give him some corn, then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. So instead of beating, in this second stanza, the child is saying that the donkey will not be beaten by the child, but the child would feed the donkey with some dry grass and corns, which is the favorite food of the donkey. The child thinks that after eating the favorite food, the donkey will stop irritating it and will obey or listen to the orders or instructions or the best of that child. The child is thinking that maybe the animal, that is the donkey, is hungry, so it is not listening to the child's orders. So the child finds out a better way, that he fill the donkey with some hay, that is dry grass, and some corns, which is the donkey's favorite food. Then it will feel better and then also will behave in a better way. So the present poem is written by Margaret Russell. This poem is about how to deal with or how to behave with the animals. The poet has conveyed a message which is very important for all of us. The message is, don't treat the animals badly or in a brutal way. Instead of that, we should treat them kindly and gently. As we humans have feelings, same way the animals are also having feelings. They also get hurt if someone beats them. So children, never hit the animals. Treat them lovingly and tenderly. Now we will see the next poem, that is, I had a little pony. You also can sing.
I had a little pony. I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Gray. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she slashed him, she rode him through the mire. I would not lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Gray. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she slashed him, she rode him through the mire. I would not lend my pony now for all the ladies hire.
So this is the poem, I had a little pony. Now see what the girl is saying. The girl here is telling us about her pet, that is a pony. What do you mean by pony? Pony is a young one of a horse. What the girl says? I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. So the girl says that she had a little pony, baby horse. And what is the name of that horse? Dapple Grey. Then this girl lent that Dapple Grey, that is the pony, to a lady, to a woman. What do you mean by lent? Lent means given to someone for some time. So the girl lent that pony to the lady. For what? To ride a mile away. Maybe the woman wanted to go for ride, so the girl lent that pony to the lady. But what the lady did? See, she whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. Means when the girl lent her pony to the lady, that lady whipped him, lashed him. Whip means beating with the whip, and lash means same meaning, that beating. And also that lady drove that pony through the mire. Mire means wet ground or mud. So the lady was not treating the pony properly. So naturally the girl says, I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. Means as the lady is not treating my pony kindly, lovingly, so I will never lend, means give my pony to any lady for some time also, because the girl is loving her pony so much. That is why she decided not to lend a pony to any lady. So these are the two poems. Now there are some new words in these poems, that is whip. Here in the pictures you will see what is a whip. Whip is a hunter. Mire, that is mud or wet ground. Hay means dry grass or fodder used by the animals to eat. Now we will see what are the synonyms. Synonyms or meanings. First is wallop. Wallop means to hit hard, strike, beat, blow. Hay. Hay means dry grass or fodder for animals. Just now I showed you the pictures. Hay. Then third is whipped. Means lashed, flogged or to beat with a whip. Here we have seen the whip. So beating with this hunter is called as whipped. Lent means borrowed or given to, or to give something to someone that would be returned back. Lashed means a quick blow. Mire means an area of soft, wet ground, muddy ground. Hire means rent, lease, employ, to employ someone for some work by giving money. So children, I hope you understood these two poems and the meanings. In the next video we will discuss about the question and answers and remaining part of the poems. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.